How to screen record in Windows PowerToys. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can screen record in Windows PowerToys. So let's get started. First of all, you got to make sure that you have installed the PowerToys. To do that, you got to go to Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. And then if you have not installed it before, you'll be able to see an install button. Click on it and then you'll be able to see open. So click on it and you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. Now, in order to perfect recording, you need to enable the screen ruler in PowerToys to measure exact screen sizes. To do that, you got to go to the search bar and you got to type in screen ruler. So simply type in screen and now here it is screen ruler. Click on it and then you'll be able to see enable screen ruler. You got to make sure it is toggled on. And after that, if you wish to record anything in PowerToys, all you need to do is simply click on the Windows button along with Alt and the R key. And then you'll be able to see this in front of you. So that means that your screen recording has been started. And well, that is how you can screen record in Windows PowerToys. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.